Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're making cheddar mushroom pork chops. Okay, and what you're going to need for this is some pork chops. I got 5 of them here, so 4 or 5. These are pretty good size. They'll fill up my pan. We'll need a 10.5 ounce can of the cream of mushroom soup, the cheddar cheese soup, and of course you'll need the milk. Fill up those cans. It's about 1.5 cups of milk. And if you use the cans, they'll give you the right amount of milk. So, and I got a 4-ounce can of mushroom stems and pieces and stems, and we'll need a tablespoon of roughly a tablespoon of oregano, and then a tablespoon of dry basil, and salt and pepper to taste. Okay, well, let's get this started and enjoy this these pork chops. So here we go. Okay guys, so what we're going to do, we will open up our cream of mushroom soup and make sure that that's in there. Let's see. One of these spatulas to clean that all out here. So let's get that all cleaned out. So that's the first can. Okay. Now we need the cheddar cheese soup, and we'll put that in here. Get it all out. Alright, so okay, and so we'll take the can and pour in the milk in there. Okay. Okay. That spatula, we can probably throw that over there. And then want to drain our mushrooms here. Alright, and we'll put in our mushrooms in here, and we're just going to make sure that this is good and stirred, get it good and mixed up here. Okay, now what we're going to do is pour, well, first I'll spray. We will make sure our pan is greased up, And then we'll pour in half the sauce on the bottom here. Okay. Now, I'm not going to measure this out, but we'll put salt and pepper to taste. So we'll just a little bit of salt on the one side here, a little bit of pepper, and we'll put in our oregano and our basil, which is brand new here. So I gotta get it open here. All right. Alright, so we'll get the basil open here. Okay. Alright. And I'll just finish up with our basil. And we'll place that in there. Okay. And finish up the rest of it here. The oregano and the basil. So it's put it in there. And get it all good and layered in there, so we can get the rest of what I missed here. Alright, so that may be a little bit more than a teaspoon, but it's still going to be good. We'll put that in there, get it fitted in here. So, alright, we'll just salt and pepper the other side of these. Yep. So it ain't gonna matter you get it mixed in the sauce, because it's gonna all mix in anyway during the cooking process. I'm probably putting a little bit too much oregano on there. Okay, so here we go. Alright, now that we got that done, we're going to pour the rest of the sauce on top. Make sure that the pork chops are covered. So, a spoon here. So make sure the pork chops are covered. Okay, guys. Let's set that there. Alright, so here we go. Now I got the oven. I had it preheating to 375, so we're going to put this in for an hour. And then we're going to take the pork chops out, flip them over, and cook them for another 30 minutes. So when we go put these in for the hour, and we'll check and see how they look in an hour. Alright, so I'll see you guys in an hour. Okay, guys, it's been an hour. This looks so good. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take these and flip them over. And then we'll put them back in and cook them for another 30 minutes. Boy, I tell you, these things smell really good right now. So, all right. So, we're gonna do is we'll this, make sure that we're got them good and coated with the sauce. All right, so I'm gonna put this back in and we'll see ya. All right, I'll see you in about 30 minutes. Okay, guys, the pork chops are done and they look really good. So let me get them out here. I've let them sit a little bit, and we're gonna a little bit more sauce on this here. But these things smell so good, and they. All right, so there we go, guys. Look at that. That looks so good. All right, so let me see if I can adjust this over a little bit. All right, so here we go. Just look at that. All right. So let me give this a try. Open it up and sample it. All right. Okay, guys. So here we go. Make sure I keep part of the mushroom on there. All right, here we go. Whoa, this is amazing, guys. This tastes so good. Pork chop is nice and tender. It's just breaking apart with the cutting it together. It's got good flavor. Yeah, really, I didn't put too much oregano and the basil in there. Just right. Got really good flavor. Alright, guys, so this is the cheddar mushroom pork chops, and it's really good. I hope you guys will give it a try. Leave a comment below if you have try it and what you think about it, and also if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I'll let you know when I post another video. I do cooking videos like this on Saturday morning. I also do some taste test videos and some sightseeing and adventure videos. Well, guys, I'll see you on the next video. You guys enjoy the day the Lord has given you. I'm going to finish this up. Gracious. Oh my. That is so good. Sauce just makes the whole thing.